Hi, and welcome to another week of Midjourney Challenge series. I'm so pleased you've made it up to this point. Really, I hope the exercises we're doing are useful, that you find pleasure in coming with different ideas and then different executions with the tool itself. Midjourney really is a game changer when it comes to thinking about the production and the time, the expense of producing certain things now can be done in a fraction of a second. That's not to say that your ideas are not at the core. You need to have a lot of knowledge around art, design, history of art, and all of that. So just make sure, that you reference your work properly, that you put some thought, sketch it out, don't go straight into the tool. And in this week's challenge, we're going to be looking at an outdoor art installation. And installation can be anything. It could be a sculpture, it could be a monument, and that could be in a different setting like the beach, a plaza, an urban park. So just think outside of the box. What type of art installation you would like? If it's a sculpture, what type of sculpture is it? Does it have a meaning? Is it to commemorate something? So that's the challenge for this week. We're gonna get into it. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to share by tagging at Type Dreams Images. So let's get started. Let's just go straight into it. Imagine an outdoor sculpture, abstract sculpture, nearby the beach, and an outdoor abstract sculpture nearby the beach, with bold, vibrant colors. Why not? It's abstract but colorful. And let's click enter and see what we get. Cool, so definitely vibrant colors, very bold photography. Yeah, I'm liking this. What I want to say now is maybe nearby, it's not nearby the beach, but in a center of a plaza. Just want to check a different location. It might be interesting to see in there as well. I really like this one. This is very vibrant and colorful. I mean, you could say a horse, a dolphin, a human. It doesn't need to be abstract. So try to experiment with different ones, but this is what we're doing, an abstract one. Ooh, I like this. Yeah, this is striking. This kind of really falls into it. It's like an installation piece. Well, that's actually the challenge. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna go for this one, guys. So have fun with your own art installation. I hope you come up with something cool. You might as well just upload, if you have a drawing or a photograph of something abstract, you can upload it, upload file to Midjourney and then copy link, use it as a reference, that type of thing with your own artwork. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you next week. Have happy generations with Type Dreams and Midjourney. See you later.